prayer, we pray to God to remove all evils and take us to the path of wisdom and light, to solicit and bring peace to humanity.
God is light.
God is light,
And in Him
and in Him
is no darkness
is no darkness
at all.
at all.
God is spirit,
God is spirit,
and
and he that
worship Him
worship Him
must worship Him
must worship Him
in spirit
in spirit
and in truth.
and in truth.
God is love,
God is love,
and he that dwelleth in love dwelleth in God, and God in Him.
and God in Him.
Thanks be to God.
Thanks be to God. He Sharde Ma, He Sharde Ma, अज्ञानिता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानिता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे हर शाम तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरा, हमको उजालो का संसार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानिता से हमें तार दे माँ। मुनियों ने समझी है, मुनियों ने जानी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की वाणी। हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानिता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल के विराजे, हाथों में लिया मुकुट सर साजे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, अपनी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानिता से हमें तार दे माँ। अज्ञानिता से हमें तार दे माँ। अज्ञानिता से हमें तार दे माँ।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Thank you.
Success comes through hard work, determination, and sacrifice.
Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard and then succeed on purpose.
I teach you to live together and enjoy.
I am flower. I teach you to lead a healthy and happy life.
I am a bird. I teach you that life is full of hope. I am a stem. I teach you to support and care for others. I am the root of the plant. I teach you to imbibe good values with firmness.
The Muddlehead from Peteshki by Anonymous.
I knew a man from Peteshki, as muddle-headed as could be. He always got miserably clothes. He wore his mittens on his toes, forgot his collar in his haste, and tied his tie around his waist. What a muddlehead was he, that man who lived in Peteshki. They told him as he went about, "You have got your coat all inside out." When they saw his step, they said, "You have put a saucepan on your head." What a muddlehead was he, that man who lived in Peteshki. At lunch, he scratched a piece of bread and spread some butter on his head. He put his walking stick to bed and stood in a rack instead. What a
glorify His name. Wake up today, but there's a way to go. Reminding down today, but there's a light tomorrow. Wake up today, but there's a way to go. Reminding down today, but there's a light tomorrow. Just lean on the wings and trust on God. He will make a way. Just lean on the wings and trust on God. He will make a way. It's a happy day. It's a happy day. It's a happy day. The day that the Lord has made. We will sing, sing, sing for Him. We will sing, sing, sing for Him. We will sing, sing, sing for Him. And glorify His name. If He's around, then you will never move. If He is a friend, His word shall heal your wounds. If He is around, then you will never move. If He is a friend, His word shall heal your wounds. He is the Alpha, He is Omega, He is with us today. He is the Alpha, He is Omega, He is with us today. It's a happy day. It's a happy day. It's a happy day. The day that the Lord has made. We will sing, sing, sing for Him. We will sing, sing, sing for Him. We will sing, sing, sing for Him. And glorify His name. And glorify His name. And glorify His name.
That was indeed captivating. Sanskrit is the classical language of India. It is considered as the mother of all languages. We present to you Sanskrit slokas.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om
This shlok means we are bestowed with the complete nature. It is a cycle where we originate from this nature. Still the world remains complete in all aspects. And it's a never-ending process. With Dr. Fred Mednick.
Dr. Fred Mednick holds a doctorate degree in education and is a professor at the Johns Hopkins University. He started as a principal of 2 leading schools. He wrote a book called Rebel Without a Car, a principle and guide to adolescents. He founded Teachers Without Borders in 2000 24 countries associated with it.
We invite Dr. Fred Mednick to speak a few words.
We welcome you, sir.
Hello, my wonderful, wonderful, wonderful children. I'm so happy to be here. So happy. My heart is full. My heart is full of joy and hope. And I believe in a future in which everybody can learn. And when this moment I came to this place, I felt as if my heart were so much bigger than it was before. And you fill my heart. You fill my heart with joy and laughter. And I'm so happy to be here. I have to tell you about my family so that I can, at least you could get to know me, and then I want to know about all of you. My father is a dance teacher, and the dances were beautiful, and I will show him the dances that you did. My father is 100 years old, and he still teaches dance. I could try to dance, but I'm not a very good dancer. My mother, who has passed, was a teacher. My daughters are teachers. I have been a teacher my whole life. My mother said she named me Fred because the name means King of Peace. I did not know that until later, but she said to me that she thinks my life will be devoted to service and teaching. My life is devoted to service and teaching. But nothing makes me happier, nothing in the whole world makes me happier than to see you. To see you pray, to see you work, to see you study, to see you enjoy and support each other. This makes me feel wonderful and blessed and happy. And I want all of that for you, all of that. The joy of learning, the joy of laughing, the joy of singing and playing and working and loving, all of it seems to be something that you get here, you understand here. You have such wonderful teachers, people who love you all the time. And I am a very, very lucky man because I get to see it. I am very fortunate. I am very blessed. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Worthy word. I request the gathering to please stand up for national anthem.
जन गण